In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to tweet someone on Twitter. We'll go step by step, so even if you're new to the platform, you'll be able to follow along easily and send a tweet directly to the person you have in mind. First, open Twitter, now called X, and make sure you're on your home dashboard. This is usually the main screen you see right after you log in. You should see your timeline with posts from people you follow, along with a box near the top that invites you to share what's on your mind. If you're not on this page, look for the home icon in the main menu and click it. Next, find the post field, the area that usually says something like "What's happening?" This is where you write your tweet. Click inside that box once. As soon as you click, it should expand and show you more options, like adding images, GIFs, or polls. For now, we'll focus on just writing text. Now, type the message you want to send. This could be anything you'd normally tweet: a comment, a question, or a quick hello. To tweet at a specific person, you'll need to mention their username. Do this by typing the @ symbol, followed directly by their handle with no spaces. For example, you'd type @ and then their username. As you start typing, Twitter will usually suggest accounts that match what you're entering. When you see the person you want to tweet in the suggestions list that appears below your text, click on their name. This step is important because it makes sure you're tagging the correct account, not just someone with a similar name. Once you click their profile from the list, their handle will be properly highlighted in your tweet, confirming that the mention is attached to that specific user. Take a quick moment to read over your tweet. Check your spelling, make sure you've tagged the right person, and confirm that your message says exactly what you want it to say. Remember, tweets are public by default, so anyone who can see your profile will also be able to see this message. When you're happy with everything, go ahead and click the post button. After a second or two, your tweet will appear on your timeline, and the person you mentioned will be notified that you tweeted at them. And that's it. You've successfully tweeted someone on Twitter.